Okay, a few things we are missing here regarding the new updates. So I'm just going to point them out. This is good. Now, where it says testimonials, below this, it has to have 5 gold stars, as in Google. So please add those 5 stars here. When it comes to this search, since this search is part of the feature listing, maybe this search should be within this section. So it has to be within this section and make it within this blue section and adjust it. Then when it comes to neighborhoods, uh, where it says Forest Hill, we need to have Search Toronto, which is a new community where we're going to show all Toronto properties. And there is a picture for that section, which is this one, where it says Toronto Search. That's the name of that. So it's going to be Search Toronto with that photo. Moore Park is going to be a smaller section because Forest Hill is going to move down. So it's going to be Yorkville, Forest Hill, Moore Park, High Park. And for the Moore Park, we have the photo that I already put it here, and this is the photo attached Moore Park. So we have to add that as well. This is all good. When it comes to for contact, no problem. Yeah, testimonials, again, please add 5 gold stars and make this text a little bit larger than testimonials, but it's then smaller than the title. So something in between. So it says it's from Yvonne. So those will be the changes, and let me know if you need any clarification on this. Thanks.